lot of time decisions about our career are made in meetings where we are not even present. There are times when we really feel stuck in our careers. We can grow to a certain level based on our skill set, technical strengths, domain knowledge, etc. etc. But beyond a point, we need somebody to champion for us. We need somebody who can influence other stakeholders for our career growth. This is a fact because a lot of time decisions about our career are made in meetings where we are not even present. So if we are not present in those meetings, those promotion panels or those closed door meetings, who is going to influence other people, who is going to actually put forward our case and push it through to the next level? So you need somebody really influential in that meeting room who is going to advocate your case. And a lot of times people fail to build relationships with leaders in the organization who can actually champion for them. So how this really works is, after a certain point in time, you need to realize that you need a mentor. You need somebody who can not just guide you or direct you, but also question you, who can also champion for you. When I say champion for you, what I really mean is somebody who can go and tell what kind of potential do you have, what kind of roles and responsibility can you carry in future, because this person has closely watched you perform, this person has groomed you in some capacity. Okay, so those kind of working relationship with a mentor are absolutely important. If you don't have one in your organization, it is really high time to find one. So identify a list of leaders or influencers in your own organization or department, and then start to build a rapport with them. You can do so by participating in organization level or department level initiatives or events. Raise up your hand, speak up, ask questions, volunteer for different kind of activities. These are all things which are actually on top of your work other than your work. So you need to really get out of your shell, you need to really get out of your comfort zone and do certain things which you were not doing earlier. That is how you connect with the right people, the influential people. And it goes without saying that you need to be a top performer. You need to be really good at what you do. You need to really take the hard projects, the complex projects, and put your neck out there so that people observe you and people really see some talent in you. So what I mean is, you can't really expect things to happen if you are really an average performer. So you need to be really authentic and you need to stand out from the crowd. So lastly, you also need to remember that you will need to groom others as well. So while you are looking for a mentor or a leader who can actually mentor you or guide you, you actually need to do the same for others who are below you. So find out people who are really worthy and then extend your help to groom them, because influential people are always watching, and if they see you as a leader who is helping others, which would mean that you will get the right kind of visibility and your growth will be fast. Doing all these things is not easy, but it is actually not that hard as well. All it takes is really some willpower and strong-headed attitude. Not many people are willing to do this, so if you are one of those who want to really do this, then there are high chances that you will succeed. This is the message I wanted to pass in today's video. Give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, colleagues, and in your social media network. Do let me know what are your thoughts about this in the comment section. I will see you in another video tomorrow. Take care. Bye for now.